Welcome to our channel. If you want to protect yourself from scams, follow these step-by-step instructions to identify and stop phishing and robocall fraud. Step 1. Recognize common carrier-related scam tactics. Scammers impersonate carriers claiming account problems, offering fake refunds, or warning about service suspension. Step 2. Never provide personal information in response to unsolicited calls or texts. Legitimate carriers won't ask for passwords, PINs, or financial information through unexpected contacts. Step 3. Verify suspicious communications by contacting your carrier directly. Use official phone numbers from their website or your bill rather than numbers provided in suspicious messages. Step 4. Enable spam call blocking features on your phone and through your carrier. Most carriers offer free spam protection that identifies and blocks known scam numbers. Step 5. Register your number with the National Do Not Call Registry at donotcall.gov. While not perfect, registration reduces legitimate telemarketing and helps identify illegal robocalls. Step 6. Use call screening features built into modern smartphones. Let calls from unknown numbers go to voicemail or as apps that screen calls automatically. Step 7. Report scam calls and texts to your carrier by forwarding to 7726 spam. Carriers use these reports to identify and block scam numbers from reaching other customers. Step 8. Never click links in suspicious texts claiming to be from your carrier. These phishing links lead to fake websites designed to steal account credentials and personal information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.